Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, this ain't no clickbait. I'm gonna share with you a company where you can earn up to $30,000 commissions. And I ain't talking about a group of commissions. I'm talking about one commission could be up to $30,000. Now, the company that I'm talking about, the program that I'm talking about, is Regal Assets. All right, Regal Assets. It's a company. They are in the investing, the stock world, not stock, but like gold, silver, precious metals, all that good stuff. And I believe they got into the whole crypto field a couple years back. All right, so this is a well-known company, Regal Assets, precious metals. And the cool thing about this company is you only earn, 3% per deal or 2%, right? You get 3% on the sale that you generate, and you actually get a 2% commission on sales made by people that you refer as an affiliate, right? So you got two-tier commission scale, right? So you can earn on things you sell, or if you get people to join you and they sell, you can earn off of what they make, which is super, super cool. Now, you might be thinking, hey, 3%. That sounds like some Amazon associate. 3% ain't worth my time. Yeah, it is. Because when you're dealing with gold, silver, and crypto, all this stuff, you're talking about things where people are buying $50,000 worth of gold, $100,000, worth of gold and IRA funds and all this high-end techie stuff. Not really techie, but this is a niche, where people got money, right? You ain't playing around with like, little $30 commissions and stuff like that. No. This is real money. If you become an affiliate with Regal Assets, you get into this field, you talking big money. So, when you promote as an affiliate, the things that they offer, keep in mind, you offering big ticket stuff, right? You, like I said, $50,000, $100,000. In some cases, $1 million. People will buy, something for, like I said, $1 million worth of precious metals or crypto or whatever, right? Bottom line is, you can make some serious money. Now, let's keep it real. All right, is this a competitive niche to get in? Hell yeah, right? Can you make money in this niche with Regal Assets? Hell yeah, right? But I will caution you, if you decide to join Regal Assets, all right, and I'll put a link below. You can check it out for yourself. You can sign up to apply to be an affiliate. All right, it's a very, very simple process. But if you get approved and you become an affiliate, you do get like a nice little back office, right? You can log into, you can see all of the offers. They give you marketing content. They give you articles and banners and all that good stuff. I highly suggest if you planning on making commissions with this, you got to go hard with it. You got to do your research. You got to have a little strategy, right? You got to decide, like, how are you going to promote this? Because once again, you got to narrow it down. You're going to have to attract people with money, right? You're going to have to get into that world a little bit. You have to understand that world, to really, drive traffic. You have to drive traffic to this offer, right? So unlike a lot of other programs where it's just like, oh yeah, you could promote this, just jump on Facebook, throw some ads up. Well, if your Facebook page or you're a part of groups, right, that where everybody ain't balling and got enough money to be making some nice investments, you're probably not going to see big results. But if you do your research and you get involved with, different forums where they talk about precious metals or investing and IRAs and retirement funds, you need to go into that world. You got to go into that world. And if you can't go into that world, you might want to do a little outsourcing. If you got a little bit of money, that you can have somebody, create content for you, or even get an ebook written for you, right? You can even get, outsourced YouTube videos, right? To promote the offers that Regal Assets has, right? Because like one commission is you know what I'm saying? You get like one commission a month that could be worth $5,000, right? So if you want to get into this niche, take it serious, right? And understand you got to really focus in on the market, understand who these products are for, and then find these people and get these offers in front of people. Another thing I would highly recommend with this is you don't have to stay online. If you become an affiliate of Regal Assets, you don't have to stay online. I mean, with the potential to earn huge commissions like this, take it offline. See if you can network, with businesses or firms or other business people. Get business cards made up. Get a domain name that you can connect to your affiliate link. You know what I'm saying? That when people click on your domain name, they'll be taken to your affiliate offer. That's called domain forwarding. But yeah, I mean, this is a huge opportunity, guys, where, I mean, I don't want to sound too crazy, but like imagine if you just made like, you told yourself you was going to do try to get like 6 deals a year. You go try to sell 6, get 6 commissions a year. And just imagine if each commission was worth, 10 grand, whatever, right? That's like 60 grand a year you could be making if you focus on that. Now, I'm not telling you to do that and don't do nothing else, but I'm just saying it's possible. All right. So if you want to check out Regal Assets for yourself, link below. It's underneath the $300 blueprint, but you can check that out if you want another way to start earning commissions, right? Easier way, but check it out for yourself. But you can check out Regal Assets for yourself. All you gotta do is click on the link, put in your information, and then they're gonna ask you a little bit about your marketing experience. Now, if you're completely new to the game, don't let that stop you. Still fill it out. If you have a website, put that in there. No matter what, just put a website in there. If you're new, you can click on, new marketer. They're going to ask you like how you're going to plan on marketing it. Tell them, hey, I'm going to do YouTube marketing. I'm going to do Facebook advertise, whatever. But try to be honest and, give them the accurate information. And once you get accepted, go hard. That's all I can say. Go hard, because you can earn some huge commissions with Regal Assets. All right, comment below. Let me know what you think about Regal Assets and this opportunity. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.